Hello guys, my name is Vio and today we're going to be talking about Unity game engine. So let's get started. First of all, you want to go to unity3d.com and download it. Show you how to do that. Yeah, I see I'm right here, unity3d.com. Just go right here and click the download button right over there, top, whatever. Just click it and click download. If you're running on Mac, you can just click this one right here and just download it. Alright, so let's get started. First you want to do is go to just create a new scene. We're going to File, New Scene, click Do Not Save. Get a little bit slow. So after you open a new scene, you see this menu. These are menu right here. This is like your where you're gonna be working most of the time. This is the scene view. Working the scene right here. You can change the camera or whatever position. Whatever. This is a game view right here. If you want to play it, you're gonna see all your games and stuff in this right here. First, alright, let me show you how to navigate. You're gonna hold the Alt button down and left click to rotate around your scene. The Alt and the middle mouse button to pan around, and the right mouse button to zoom in and out, zoom in and out. If you use your up arrow, you're gonna go this way, and down arrow is gonna go this way, and the left arrow is gonna go left, the right arrow go left on your computer screen. It's just like playing a game. If you want to create something, you go to File right here, right? Like if you're making like a level or something, right? You're gonna save the scene right here. Then you add script. You can like lower your levels, first level, second level, main menu, whatever. This is like a build setting right here, right? Like if you create like a new level, right? This is the build order right here. It goes in order. If you like create a new level, right? You can just drag a level right here. Let me show you how you do this. Go to File, save this scene. I have nothing in it right now, but let me just save it anyways, just to show you guys.
Message.
Name it whatever you want. Wow, YouTube. That's where YouTube runs. YouTube, just click save. Now you can drag your level right here. Like let's say if the game was like the main menu of the game where your game is low, right? It goes in order. Just drag it right. It's gonna say level 0. Just scene 0 right here. It would save like a new scene, right? The file, save scene. You gotta find new scene. Create a new scene, right? Go to File, save scene. Cut on wow, YouTube 2. Let's click and save this one. Then we drag this one right. This will be like your second stuff that load when you start the game. First, you're gonna load this one right here. This could be a main menu, whatever you want. Second would be the game, to load the game, whatever. Yeah. So yeah, that's how you do this. Now, we're going to talk about game object. Game object is like everything in your scene is a game object. Then each have a component. You can attach a component to them, script, whatever. First, you're going to go to game object, create others, create a cube. Most people use a cube for the floor. You want to hit the F button with focus on your object. Focus on right there. Yeah. Now you can rotate it around, and stuff. You can move it, you can scale it, scale in the up direction, it's right there, back, rotate it around and stuff, flip it around, whatever. Or if you want to set a position to like the center of the view, right, just hit 0 for a position. This is like an inspector view, right? It's like when you click any object, right, you can attach components and other stuff to them. As you can see this cube right, let me undo that. Control and Z to undo. As you can see this cube right here, it has different components. It have a box collider. A collider, this is like this little green thing right here. So it can collide in your game. Then you have to mask render. It's mask render. It's a component right here, right? You can like uncheck this. You see, it won't render on the screen, right? Click it right here. You can check it back. Now you see it right here, right? Then it got Bosco. You can add physics material to it. Let me just show you what physics material does. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna go more in depth, but for be honest, I'm gonna show you guys something. Right here, right? Go to game up. Let me create another box. Create a little box right there. Just drag it up. Now you can attach a bouncy material to it. You see, this is component right here, right? All you do is just click right there. Give me a second. I have bouncy ice, metal, rubber, whatever. Let's go bouncy right now. Let's click bouncy. Now click the camera. Make sure you focus on it. Just hold on for a second. Let's go right. Yeah, my bad. Let's go right. Just drag it in or some shit. Go to the X. Now you can switch from X, Z, perspective, top view, whatever. Switch it right here. X. Just drag it top. The camera's on the ground right now. Click the game view. You're gonna see this ball bounce. I'm gonna press the play button.
Can't believe you're better than Jan Lavin. It's Cotton Rabbit.
Just give me a second. I got a slow computer, so you just have to put up with that. Watch the ball bounce. Why isn't it bouncing? Maybe I did something wrong. So right now. Get cute for a second. Technical difficulties from some. I don't know what's going on with that. Go to the top and see what's going on. I'm just create a game. I'm gonna create a point right.
Got the technical.
Let me see yours. Just click the box for a second. So you can name your box whatever you want. Like if you don't even want a cup box, cube, you can name it whatever you want. You double click the focus on it. Click on the light.
Don't click the focus.
Cube. You can name it whatever you want. All you do is just click once. Click it once, and you can name it BE dub, whatever you want. Press enter. So you can so this one won't be cube anymore. Yeah. Let me hit the play button one more time. Let's see. Click right here. So you can see I have a bouncy physics material to it. A bouncy right here. Right? Put this one more time. See what happens. I don't know. Oh yeah, I see why. You gotta attach a rigid body to it. A rigid body is like a physics in type of way, right? Once you add a rigid body, object is affected by gravity. So yeah, it can interact with. As you can see, the cool part about Unity is like when you're running your game, right? You can attach other stuff and change whatever why the game is running, why the game is debugging, whatever. I mean, I just attach a component to physics. It's just all your physics, right? Physics add a rigid body. A rigid body is like a physics in a way. It's like a rigid body, right? It's gonna fall down. You see now? Now it's gonna be bouncing. Yeah, that's some good stuff. It's flipping around and stuff. You see, it's acting like a real object. Yeah, will in a game world. As you can see, the cool part with this game is like game engine is like you can grab it and check it like that. And you see it's bouncy right there, and you can debug and whatever. And you can grab it like that. You see, as you can go right, it's interact. It's acting. You can see because I didn't add a light to it, so you can see. Point light. Just drag it up a little bit. Intensity or a little bit intense right here. Look at this object right here. So you can see the position right there. It's changing, right? Let's grab this and type of 0. As you can see, it's changing so fast. Use gravity. Uncheck that. As you can see, it's gone. Yeah, it's gone. Just like a little test of what game engine got to offer. I'm gonna make a next tutorial right now, so you guys more in depth about what to expect from the game engine. Alright, so if you don't understand this tutorial right now, don't stress. I'm gonna explain it much better the next time. Just like my first time doing videos and stuff, recording videos, tutorial and stuff. Yeah. Alright guys, see you. Have a nice day.